name's Mark Kasenko. I am one of the driver mentors here at Bay & Bay, and I'm also a member of the Driver Council. Another way to save fuel in the summer and in the winter is using your APU. It really isn't difficult. It consumes a lot less fuel than if you would idle your truck, and I know some of the newer trucks only will idle for 3 minutes at a time. So the APU becomes a lifesaver. It is EPA compliant and burns a lot less than idling a truck. And in the winter, you also have a bunk heater in your truck to keep you warm. So those are little tips where you're not burning as much diesel. You're staying comfortable so you can be refreshed after your break. It helps you stay fuel compliant, which helps you maintain your bonus.